Hi guys, Sarah here. I've been noticing on Facebook there is a lot of people getting their Etsy accounts, their listings deactivated or their account suspended. This person here, for instance, this is all over Facebook, but here's one example. For the second time, Etsy has deactivated my listings, citing their handmade policy. I'm unsure about the specific violation. I've always been transparent about using Printify as my production partner. So they've got 10,000 sales and they've been suspended because they're using this mockup. And this seems to be the mockup a lot of people are using, and it seems to be the one that people are getting suspended for. I don't know why. So Etsy came through and said that they've got a policy violation. They're reaching out because their listings were flagged and removed by the automated system for violating the handmade policy. So they've been removed from the marketplace. And that the images are the issue, it seems. Well, that's what they think anyway, looking through. Under here, you can see use your own images for your listings. Using others, photos, or stock images of items that are similar to yours is not permitted. So that indicates that is the mock-up. Here they say items made with production partners, so that's using Printify, Printful, all those kinds of things, print on demand. If an item is created with production assistance, the listings photo should be of the finished product or an image supplied by the production partner that accurately depicts the item the buyer will be receiving. So we have to either use our own image, so make the product, get it sent to us, take a photo, that kind of thing, or get a sample, a blank sample, take a photo, and then mock it up ourselves, I guess. Or use the images that come, the mock-ups that come with Printify or Printful, which aren't great. And they're not great. They're not great images. I don't think they're good for selling. The mock-ups that you can buy on Etsy, like from Moonlit Mockups, are amazing. They look really good. The ones on Printify, not so much.